Ireland, a name that conjures images of rolling green hills, dramatic coastlines, and a land steeped in stories as old as time itself. From the moment you set foot on this enchanting island, you can feel its magic in the air, a gentle invitation to explore, to discover, and to lose yourself in its timeless beauty. This is a land of myth and legend, where every stone and every shadow seems to hold a secret. The mist that drifts across the moorlands carries with it the echoes of ancient tales, of Celtic warriors, fairy folk, and heroes whose deeds shaped the very soul of Ireland. Here, history is not just remembered, it is alive, woven into the very fabric of the landscape. Listen closely, and you'll hear history whispering on the wind, the gentle rustle of grass, the soft sigh of the breeze as it moves through centuries-old stone walls. These are the voices of the past, inviting you to pause and reflect. Every field, every path, every ancient ruin tells a story, waiting for you to uncover its mysteries. And then there is the wild, untamed beauty of nature. Towering cliffs stand sentinel over the restless sea, their faces carved by wind and water over millennia. Mountains rise in the distance, shrouded in mist and mystery, while waves crash below in a symphony of sound and power. It's a landscape that stirs the soul and takes your breath away, reminding you of the raw, elemental forces that have shaped this island. This is the Emerald Isle, a place where every shade of green seems more vivid, more alive. The fields stretch out in a patchwork of color dotted with wildflowers and ancient trees. It's a land that feels both familiar and otherworldly, as if you've stepped into a dream. Ireland is a land of contrasts, where rugged coastlines meet rolling green hills in a breathtaking dance of earth and sea. The cliffs stand tall and proud, while the hills roll gently away, inviting you to wander and explore. It's a place where the elements collide, creating a landscape that is both fierce and gentle, wild and welcoming. Scattered across this landscape are ancient castles, their weathered stones standing guard over shimmering lakes and tranquil waters. These silent sentinels have witnessed centuries of history. Battles fought, alliances forged, and legends born. They invite you to step back in time, to imagine the lives of those who once called these walls home. But perhaps the true heart of Ireland lies in its people. Warm, welcoming, and full of laughter, the Irish have a way of making you feel at home no matter where you come from. In every village and town you'll find stories shared over a pint, music that fills the air, and a sense of community that is as enduring as the land itself. Their hospitality is legendary, their spirit infectious. So come with me, and together we'll explore this magical island. We'll journey down winding roads that lead to hidden valleys and secret glens, discovering places that seem untouched by time. Each step will reveal something new, a breathtaking view, a forgotten ruin, a moment of quiet wonder. We'll wander through emerald fields, our feet sinking into the soft, dew-kissed grass. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of wildflowers and the distant sound of sheep on the hills. Here, every walk is an adventure, every path a promise of discovery. We'll stand at the edge of the world at the Cliffs of Moher, feeling the cool mist on our faces as the Atlantic crashes far below. The wind tugs at your hair, the sea roars in your ears, and for a moment, you feel both small and infinite, part of something greater than yourself. As the sun sets over the Irish landscape, we'll gather with locals for a traditional music session, the notes of fiddles and flutes weaving through the air. It's here, in these moments of connection and celebration, that you'll truly experience the soul of Ireland. Prepare to be captivated, to be enchanted, for this is a land that steals your heart and stays with you forever. Ireland is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel, a place that becomes a part of you. Let the Emerald Isle beckon you and discover a world of wonder, beauty, and unforgettable memories. Our journey begins amidst a tapestry of green and stone, a landscape so vibrant it seems almost unreal. As the first rays of sunlight spill across the land, the countryside awakens in a dazzling display of color and life. The fields shimmer with 1,000 shades of green, each blade of grass catching the light in its own unique way. It's a scene that feels both ancient and timeless, as if the land itself is telling stories passed down through generations. Rolling hills, carpeted in emerald velvet, stretch as far as the eye can see. These undulating waves of earth rise and fall gently, creating a sense of endless possibility. The hills are dotted with wildflowers and patches of heather, their colors painting the landscape with delicate strokes of purple, yellow, and white. As the wind sweeps across the open fields, it sets the grass in motion, creating ripples that dance across the hillsides like the surface of a tranquil sea. Stone walls, ancient and weathered, crisscross the countryside, marking the passage of time. Each stone, carefully placed by hands long gone, tells a silent story of resilience and tradition. These walls have stood for centuries, enduring storms and sunshine alike, quietly dividing fields and guiding travelers. They are more than mere boundaries. They are living monuments to Ireland's history, connecting the present to a distant past. Along these walls, moss and lichen cling stubbornly, and wildflowers find shelter in the cracks, adding splashes of color to the gray stone. The walls seem to breathe with the land, adapting and changing with the seasons, yet always remaining steadfast. Sheep graze peacefully, their soft bleating a gentle counterpoint to the symphony of birdsong. Their woolly forms dot the meadows, moving slowly and deliberately as they nibble on the lush grass. The presence of these animals is a reminder of the deep connection between the people and the land, a relationship built on respect and harmony. The gentle rhythm of their lives adds to the sense of tranquility that pervades the countryside. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the scent of wildflowers and damp earth. After a gentle rain, the ground glistens with dew, and the fragrance of the soil rises to mingle with the sweet aroma of blooming blossoms. Every breath fills your lungs with the essence of the land, grounding you in the present moment and awakening your senses to the beauty that surrounds you. Every breath is invigorating, a reminder that we are surrounded by the raw beauty of nature. Standing atop a hill, you can feel the cool breeze on your face and hear the distant call of a skylark. The landscape stretches out before you, inviting exploration and reflection. Here, the worries of daily life seem to fade away, replaced by a profound sense of peace and belonging. As you wander along quiet country roads lined with hedgerows and wild roses, the world feels slower, more deliberate. Each step reveals new wonders, a hidden stream, a cluster of mushrooms, the flutter of a butterfly's wings. The land invites you to pause, to listen, and to simply be. This is Ireland at its most serene, a place where time seems to slow down and the worries of the world melt away. In these moments, surrounded by the tapestry of green and stone, you come to understand the true magic of this land, a magic woven from history, nature, and the quiet strength of the Irish spirit. And then we reach the coast. The mighty Cliffs of Moher rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, a testament to the raw power of nature. These sheer cliffs, stretching for 5 miles along the edge of the world, are a sight that takes your breath away. The wind whips through your hair as you stand at the edge, gazing out at the endless expanse of water. Seabirds soar overhead, their cries echoing across the vastness. The waves crash against the cliffs with a roar, sending plumes of spray high into the air. This is a place where you feel truly insignificant, humbled by the sheer scale and grandeur of the natural world. But the Cliffs of Moher are not just about raw power, they are also a place of incredible beauty. The cliffs themselves are a symphony of colors, from the deep gray of the shale to the vibrant green of the grass clinging tenaciously to the slopes. On a clear day, the Aran Islands shimmer in the distance, their outlines softened by the haze. And then there are the wildflowers. Delicate blooms in every color imaginable cling to the cliff face, adding a touch of fragility to this otherwise rugged landscape. The Cliffs of Moher are a reminder that even in the face of nature's power, beauty finds a way. As we leave the coast and journey inland, we feel the weight of history all around us. Ancient ruins dot the landscape, silent witnesses to the passage of time. Stone circles and burial mounds whisper tales of a time long past, when Celtic kings ruled this land and druids practiced their ancient rites. Each stone, each crumbling wall has a story to tell. Stories of battles fought and won, of love and loss, of life and death. To walk among these ruins is to walk in the footsteps of history, to feel the echoes of the past all around you. Imagine yourself now, not above, but within this emerald tapestry. We move as the wind does, low to the ground, gliding through tall blades of grass. The world becomes a blur of green, sunlight dappled and shimmering. Tiny wildflowers become vibrant bursts of color, their delicate petals brushing against our view. We feel the cool dampness of the earth, smell the rich aroma of the soil. This is the heartbeat of Ireland, a secret world hidden in plain sight. Ireland's landscapes are not just beautiful, they are imbued with magic. Every hill, every valley, every ancient ruin has a story to tell, a legend passed down through generations. This is a land where fairies are said to dance in the moonlight and leprechauns hoard their pots of gold at the end of the rainbow. It's a place where the thin veil between this world and the next seems to shimmer, where the impossible feels tantalizingly close. Listen closely, and you might just hear the whisper of the banshee on the wind, or catch a glimpse of a mischievous fairy flitting through the trees. But the true magic of Ireland lies not just in its landscapes, but in its people. While the rolling green hills and dramatic coastlines are breathtaking, it's the spirit of the Irish that truly brings this country to life. From the moment you set foot on Irish soil, you'll notice a warmth that radiates from every corner, a sense of welcome that feels both genuine and deeply rooted in tradition. The Irish are known for their warmth, their humor, and their love of storytelling. It's said that every Irish person has a story to tell, and they're always eager to share it with a twinkle in their eye and a hearty laugh. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet rural village, you'll find that the people here are quick to strike up a conversation, eager to make you feel at home, and always ready with a witty remark or a clever joke. Gather in a local pub, and you'll be greeted with open arms and a ready smile. The pub is more than just a place to enjoy a pint. It's the heart of the community, a gathering spot where locals and visitors alike come together to share stories, laughter, and music. The bartender might ask where you're from, and before you know it, you'll be drawn into a lively conversation with people you've only just met, but who treat you like an old friend. Listen to the music, join in the laughter, and you'll soon find yourself swept away by the infectious joie de vivre that is the heartbeat of Ireland. Traditional Irish music fills the air with fiddles, flutes, and bodhráns, creating a rhythm that's impossible to resist. People clap along, dance, and sing, their joy contagious. Even if you don't know the words, you'll find yourself humming along, caught up in the energy and camaraderie that defines an Irish night out. This is a land where strangers become friends, where stories are shared like precious gifts, and where the crack is always mighty. The Irish have a unique way of making everyone feel included, of turning every gathering into a celebration. Whether you're sharing tales of adventure, reminiscing about days gone by, or simply enjoying the present moment, you'll find that the connections you make here are genuine and lasting. It's a place where you feel instantly at home, embraced by the warmth and generosity of the people. Hospitality is a way of life in Ireland, and visitors are treated not as outsiders but as honored guests. From a friendly nod on a country lane to a heartfelt invitation to join a family meal, the Irish welcome is legendary. In Ireland, you're never alone for long. There's always someone ready to share a story, a laugh, or a song, making every moment here truly unforgettable. Our journey through Ireland comes to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. The rugged beauty of the Cliffs of Moher, the rolling green hills, the ancient ruins whispering stories of the past, and the warmth of the Irish people, these are the things that will stay with us long after we've left this magical isle. Ireland is a place that gets under your skin, that captures your heart and never lets go. It's a place of incredible beauty, rich history, and enduring magic. Until we meet again, Emerald Isle, may the wind be always at your back.